Hello guys, welcome back to Don't Memorize Math. So today we are discussing some past papers on your textbook. So here I am referring to the textbook Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Core and Extended Course Book. So here in which you can find all the core questions and also core topics and extended topics and also questions. Okay, so here total we have 4 units in which we have total 24 chapters. Okay, so first chapter or first unit contains all these 4 chapters. So review of number concepts, making sense of algebra, lines, angles and shapes, collecting, organizing and displaying data. By the end of all these chapters they have given some past paper questions. You can see here the past paper questions for unit 1, like that they have given for each unit. Like there are total 6 units, so after each unit they have given some past paper for those chapters. Okay, so today we are discussing only unit 1 past paper questions. Okay, let's see the questions and let's solve them. Then, first question is, find the highest odd number that is a factor of 60 and factor of 90. This question I have mentioned in the textbook also. They have mentioned from where they have taken this question. It is from Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics paper 11. This is a core paper. Okay, but don't think that this is for core. So always make sure extended students also should know all these things. So don't neglect the core questions. Okay, it's also very important for you. And as you all know, the non-calculator paper has started from 2025 only. So don't ignore the questions before that, but keep in mind that you will get non-calculator questions also. So here what I'm gonna do is I will be solving almost all the questions without calculator. Okay, so always when you have an IGCSE question, try to solve them without calculator. Okay, so that it will be helpful for you for paper 1 and also paper 2 for extended students. Okay, let's see this one. So here we need to find the highest odd number that is a factor of 60 and a factor of 90. So first we will write 60 and 90 as product of prime factors. You should know how to write them as a product of prime factors. I will give you a method for that. So 60, how can we split 60? Anyway you can split, like 15 and 2, 30 sorry, 15 and 4, 30 and 2, like that. You can split it anyway. 6 and 10, right? 6 times 10 is 60, so you can split the 16 anyways. I will show you here. So you can split 60 as 15 times 4. Anyway you can split. Okay, no problem for that, but you need to split them again until you reach a prime factor. Okay, so 15, how can we split 15? 15 you can split it as 3 times 5 is 15. How can we split 4? 4 you can split like 2 times 2. So you can see 3, 5, 2 and 2 are prime factors, right? Prime numbers. We can they are factors of 60, but they are prime numbers. So we will write all these numbers: 3, 5, 2 and again 2. So we'll write 60 as 3 times 5 times 2 times 2. Okay, now you can write 90 also in the same way. 90 I am splitting like, anyway you can split 9 times 10 or 3 times 30. Anyway you can split. I am splitting here 3 times 30 is 90, right? So 3, it is a prime number, so you cannot split it again. You can just split 3 times 1, 3 and 1 only. Again you can split 3 as 3 and 1. It's the same. Okay, so that's why 3 is a prime number. So how can we split 30? 30 you can split it like 3 and 10. Again 3 is a prime number. This one is a composite number, so you can just split 10 as 2 times 5. So we will write 3 times 2 times 5. Okay, so here 90 is equal to 3 times 2 times 5. Okay, So we need highest odd number, that is a factor of 60 and also a factor of 90. So just see which are the common. Common is 3, we have common. Then we have 5 is also a common. Then we have 2 is also common, right? But be very careful here, they have mentioned just odd numbers, right? So you can choose only odd numbers. If you are if you are taking 2, any number, if you are multiplying by 2, it will become an even number. Okay, so if they are just asking highest common factor, you have to take, if they are asking highest common factor of these two number, you have to take 3 times 5 times 2, because 3, 5 and 2 are common, right? Here they are not asking highest common factor, they are asking highest odd number. So it is odd number, so you cannot choose 2. So you can just take 3 and 5. So highest odd number, that is a factor of 60, is 3 times 5, that is 15. So the answer is 50. Okay, I hope it is clear. I hope why we didn't take 2. I will repeat one more time. If we are taking times 2, it will become 30, right? So any number, if you are multiplying by 2, it will become an even number. So here they have particularly mentioned it must be an odd number. That's why we are not taking 2 here. Okay, so we'll move to the next question, question number 2. By rounding each number in the calculation correct to one significant figure, estimate the value of 38.7 times 3.115 over 20.3 minus 4.1 square. So here we need to estimate them. So estimate to one significant figure. So each number we need to change to one significant figure. So we need only one significant figure, only one number. Just see the next number. If it is 5 or more than 5, we need to add 1. So here it is 8, so it will become 4. Okay, so if it is before decimal, we cannot neglect the number, so we'll just take 40. The after decimal, you can just neglect them. So before decimal, you need to write 40. Or just see nearest whole number. Which is the nearest whole number? It is 40, right? Then 3.115. So we need one significant figure, so only just 3. The next number is less than 5 and it is after decimal, so you can just neglect. So it will become 3 divided by 20.3. So we need just this one. So next number is 0, so just neglect the 3. So we will take 20. 20 minus 4.1 square. We need one significant figure, so the next number is less than 5, so just neglect them. So 4 square. So if it is a calculator paper, you can just use the calculator and write the answer. Otherwise, what you can do is 40 times 3 divided by 20 minus 4 square is 16. 4 square means 4 times 4, that is 16, right? So 40 times 3 divided by 20 minus 16 is 4. Okay, 40 divided by 4. What is 40 divided by 4? It is 10. Or 40 and 4, both of them are multiple of 4, right? So 4 divided by 4 will become 1. 40 divided by 4 became 10. Okay, we divided both of them by 4. So 10 times 3 is 30. So the answer is 30 here. Okay, I hope this is clear for you. Now question number 3. Write down mathematical name for a polygon with 5 sides. So what we call for polygon with 5 sides is this, it is pentagon, right? So it is pentagon. So make sure you know almost all the polygon names. Okay, so here it is pentagon. Suppose if they are asking for all the sides are equal, you have to add this word, that is regular. Okay, it will become regular pentagon. Here it is normal pentagon. Then work out interior angle of a regular 18-sided polygon. So keep in mind, so we have exterior angle formula. Okay, to find the one angle or exterior angle of a regular polygon, what you have to do is 360 divided by how many sides we have? It is 18. So 360 divided by 18 is 18 times 2 is 36, right? So it will become 20. So I will show you with a figure. Suppose if our figure, we don't know how many, here we have 18 sides, so some sides will be here. So exterior angle means if you are extending one of the sides, Okay, the outside angle is exterior angle. Okay, so if you have any type of polygon, any type of regular means what? All the sides are equal. Okay, all the sides are equal. So if you have all the sides are equal with a closed polygon or just a polygon, if you are adding all the exterior angles, if you are extending this side, if you are extending this side, all the exterior angles sum will be 360. That's why we are taking 360 divided by number of sides to find one of the sides. So here one of the exterior angle. So here the exterior angle we got 20. How to find the interior angle? This is a straight line, right? So we'll take 180 minus 20 to find the interior angle. So that is 160 degree. So interior angle of a regular 18-sided polygon will be 160 degree. Okay, then question number 4. Here it is mentioned non-calculator paper, and they have mentioned 2021. 21 it was completely calculator paper. There wasn't a non-calculator paper. But here for your practice they have mentioned non-calculator paper. No problem. So let's see. Before starting, just see what is 2 square. 2 square is 2 times 2, right? 2 we are multiplying 2 times. 2 cube is 2 we need to multiply 3 times. 2 power 4 is 2 we have to multiply 4 times. Then only it will become 4. 2 power 4. Here, write 1 over 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 as a power of 2. So, we will write 1 over, how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we can write this as 2 raised to 5. Okay. So, if you have an indices, if you are moving them to numerator or denominator, what happens to the power? Power will become, if it is positive, it will become negative. If it is negative, it will become positive. I am talking about the power. Okay, so 1 over 2 power 5 will become 2 power minus 5. Okay, we have the identity a raised to m is equal to 1 over a raised to minus m, or a raised to minus m is same as 1 over a raised to m. So when you moving the power to denominator, or if you are taking to numerator, the power will become negative. If it is positive, it will become negative. If it is negative, it will become positive. Okay, so this is the answer for the first one. Then second one, I will try to do it here itself. Okay, so if you have division and if the bases are same, okay, you can subtract the powers. We have the identity x raised to a divided by x raised to b is equal to x raised to a minus b. Okay, so here it will become 3 raised to 18 minus t is equal to 3 raised to 6. Now the bases are same, you can cancel the bases. Okay, so 3 and 3 you can cancel, so you will get 18 minus t is equal to 6. Okay, 18 minus which number is 6? It is 12, right? Otherwise, move the minus t to right side, it will become plus t. Move the 6 to this side, so 18 minus 6 you will get. So t will be equal to 18 minus 6, that is 12. Okay, next one. Simplify 8w raised to 10 times 6w raised to 5. Okay, so if we have number and the indices together, so first we have to multiply the numbers. So what are 8 times 6? 8 times 6. 8 times 6 is 48. If you have multiplication, we will add the indices. So you will get w raised to 15. I will tell you how we got that. W raised to 10 times w raised to 5. Okay. So if you have multiplication, we need to add the powers. So w raised to 10 plus 5, that is 15. So the answer is 48 w raised to 15. Okay, I hope this part is clear for you. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section so that I can explain to you one more time. Okay, so we'll move to the next question, question number 5. So the diagram shows two parallel lines intersected by two straight lines. You can see two parallel lines. This symbol represents parallel lines. Okay, this arrow, that means these two lines are parallel lines. Then find the value of angle A, B and C. Okay, so how to find A, B and C? So first we will find A. How to find A? If you have two lines crossing each other, opposite angles will be always equal. We call them as vertically opposite angles. Okay, since this angle is 59, this will be also 59 degree. What is the reason? The reason is vertically opposite. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Next, we'll find B. Okay, before starting B, for parallel lines we have two types of angle. One is corresponding angle, one is alternate angle. Okay, so if it is crossing by a straight line, okay, you can see this angle and this angle are in the same position, right? So same position angles, we call them as corresponding angles. In the same way, this star and this star will be equal, okay, because they are in the same position. We call them as vertically opposite, sorry, corresponding angles. These two purple stars will be, these angles will be equal because they are corresponding angles or in the same position, and the remaining these two, this one and this angle will be equal because they are corresponding or same place. Just remember, corresponding angles are same place angles. So see the question here. For B, you can see these are the two straight lines crossing by this line. Okay, B and also 37 are in the same place, right? Just ignore this line, just these two parallel lines and crossing by this line. 37 and B will be in the same position, or you can write B is equal to 37 degree. The reason is they are corresponding angles. Corresponding angle of 37. Okay, next, how to find C? You can see a triangle. Angle sum of a triangle is 180. If you are adding A plus B plus C will be always 180 degrees. So you can find C will be 180 minus. What is A? A we already got 59, minus what is B? It is 37. So 180 minus, you can just take 180 minus 59, then subtract 37 from that. Okay, otherwise 59 plus 37, what will be 59 plus 37? It is 96. Okay, so you will get 180 minus 96, that is 84 degree. So the C is 84 degree. The reason is angle sum of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, I hope question number 5 is clear for you. Question number 6. Zachary, or whatever you call him or her, asked the 30 students in his class which is their favorite sport. The table shows the results: netball 7, football 12, hockey 6, tennis 5. Complete the pictogram using figure 1 in the unit 1 past paper questions resource sheet. Okay, so here the key is given. This represents 4 people. Okay, so netball is 7. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. So that's why 7 for netball. So we need football. Football means one circle is 4. 1, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so how many partitions are there? 12. So football is done. Then hockey. Hockey means one circle we have 4. Okay, then we need only 2, right? It is hockey. So only 2, we need only 6. So just draw a half circle and divide like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, tennis is 5. So tennis we need 4, that is one complete circle we need. Then we need only one small portion. Okay, so now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, when you draw with the pencil, draw it properly. Okay, so this pictogram is over. Question number 7. In the triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. You can see the sides AB and AC are equal. That's why they have marked one line. These two lines represents they are equal sides. Okay, and angle BAC is 38 degree. Okay, BCD is a straight line. This is a straight line. Work out the angle ACD. So we need to find this angle. Okay, so since the triangle ABC we have two sides are equal. If a triangle have two sides equal, we call them as isosceles triangle. Okay, for isosceles triangles, two sides are equal and also two angles will be equal. So how can we find equal angles? So you can see these two sides are equal. Opposite of these two sides, that is this angle and also this angle, will be equal. That is the property of isosceles triangle. Two sides and opposite of those two sides, two angles will be also equal. So we'll choose this angle as x. So this angle will be also x. So what is the angle sum of a triangle? If you are adding all the angles of a triangle, you will get 180 degrees. So you can write 38 plus x is equal to 180 degree. So 38 plus x is 2x equal to 180. So we will move 38, it will become minus 38 here. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 38. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 38 is 142. So x is equal to 142 divided by 2, that is 71 degree. So this angle we got 71 degree. So since this is a, it is actually 71 degree. Okay, so since this is a straight line, okay, angle on a straight line is 180. You can find this angle by 180 minus 71. I will write here, since this is 71, so this will become 180 minus 71. What is 180 minus 71? So 180 minus 71, you will get 109. Okay, 180 minus 71 is 109. I hope this part is clear for you. So, and you can skip some of the steps if you know how to do it. You can directly find 180 minus 38 divided by 2. So, directly you will get 71. Then 180 minus 71 will be the exterior angle. Okay. So, question number 7 is over. Question number 8. Simplify 4p raised to 5 q raised to 3 times p square q raised to minus 4. This is question from 2020. Paper 1-1. This is also core paper. Okay. So first you have, okay, first we have only one number, that is 4. Okay. Then p raised to 5 times p raised to 2. If you have multiplication, we need to add the powers. So you will get p raised to 5 plus 2. Okay. Q raised to 3 times q raised to minus 4. So if you have multiplication, we need to add the powers. 3 plus minus 4. Okay. So 4 p raised to 5 plus 2 is 7. Q raised to 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. You can write 4 p raised to 7 q raised to minus 1, or you can write negative power. We won't keep like that. This is fine. This is exactly the correct answer. Or you can write 4 p raised to 7 divided by q also. Is also correct. Okay. Then question number 9. Using the integers from 60 to 75 only, find all these answers. So always keep in mind, all these answers must be in between 60 and 75. You cannot write any numbers beyond that. Okay, only the numbers must be from 60 to 75. That's it. Okay, not less than 60, not more than 75. Okay, let's see the question number 1. Find the multiple of 17. So multiple of 17, if you have calculator, it is easy. Otherwise, just multiply and find out. Okay. 17 times 1 is 34. Sorry, 70, 17. 17 times 2 is 34. 17 times 3 you will get 59. 17 times 4 is 68. Okay, 17 times 4. So here we need from 60 to 75. So the answer is 68. Then prime numbers. Okay, so we need to write all the prime numbers. It is 2 marks question. So 60 to 75. Is 60 is the prime number? No, never. It is an even number. Even number, only 2 is a prime number we have in the even number. Okay. Then what about 61? 61 you cannot split in any way, right? Like any number multiplication, only 1 times 61 is possible. So 61 is a prime number. Okay, what about 62? 62, yes, you can split because it is an even number. Anyway, any even number you can split, like 2 times here you will get 31 as 62. So 62 is not a prime number. What about 63? 63 also you can split, right? 63, 6 plus 3 is 9, so it will be a multiple of 3. 3 or 9, 3 times 9 is 63, so 63 is not a prime. What about 64? It is even number. Anyway, it is an even number, so you can split like 2 times 32. Okay. Then what about 65? Ending with 5 or 0. Anyway, it is a multiple of 5, right? Ending in 0 and 5, you can say it is a multiple of 5, so it is not a prime number. 66. It is an even number, so not a prime number. 67. What about 67? Can we split 67? No, you cannot split. So 67. Then 68 is an even number. 69. 69 you can it will be a multiple of 3. Okay, so it is not a prime number. 70 is even number. 71. What about 71? Can we split in any way? No. So 71 is prime. 72 even number. 74, 73 is a prime number. 74, 75, 76, 77 is a multiple of 11. 11 times 7. So 77, no. 78 is an even number. 79, 79 we cannot choose, right? You can take only numbers from 60 to 75. So you cannot take the numbers bigger than 75. So just 61, 67, 71 and 73 are prime numbers from 60 to 75. Okay. Next, the square root of 4489. Okay, this is very important. Finding square root. Okay, I will just erase all of them. Finding square root, there are some easy method for that. There is a proper method also, like proper square root, finding square root mathematical method for that, like division and all, similar to that. But here we have, I will give you some examples. Okay, I am giving the steps that we usually use for competitive examinations, because you have they have given some range for numbers. Okay, let's see how to find it. We have, what is 1 square? 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. 6 square is 36. 7 square is 49. Okay. 8 square 64. 9 square 81. We have 10 square is 100. Okay, so just see square root of, what is the last number? Last number is 9. So the last number of the number what we need to find here will be, last number will be 3 square is 9. Either it will be 63 or 73. Okay, we have option 63, 73, or here also the last number is 9. So it can be 67 or 77 is not possible, because it is till 675 only. Okay, so we have three options. Okay, 65, 73 and 67. Okay, I will write in an order: 63, 67 and 73. Okay, in which we'll find one of the number is answer. Okay, it is in, we are doing this for the first time, this method, so it will take time. When you practice with the more questions, it will be easy for you. Okay, then we'll see whether it is more than 70 or less than 70. Okay, what is 70 square? 70 square, what is 70 square? 7 square is 49. We have 0 here, so we'll put two zeros. So 4900. See, 4900. It is this number is less than 4900. So 73 square is not possible. So we have two options, 63 and 67. Okay. So one of them you can just find the square and write the answer here. Otherwise, one more method is there. Just keep 63 and 67 here. Apart that, I will show you one method like how to find 15 square. I will give you an easy method to find the square of a number which ends in 5, like 15 square, 25 square, 35 square, 45 square. How to find them easily? Okay, what is 5 square? 5 square is 25. 1 times next number. What is the next number? Next number is 2, right? 1, 2, 3. So next number is 2. So 1 times 2 is 2. So 15 square is 225. Then 25 square. What is 5 square? 5 square is 25. Then 2 times the next number. 2 times next number 1, 2, 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. So 25 square is 625. Then 35 square. 5 square is 25. 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. So 35 square is 1225. So 5 square is 25, 4 times 5 is 20. So 45 square is 2025. So like that you can find it. So here we will find 65 square. What will be 65 square? 6 square is 6 square is 25. Then 6 times 7. 6 times 7 is 42. So 4225. So here we have the number 4489. So 65 will come here, right? 65 square, it is more than 65 square, so we have only one option, that is 67. Okay, I will tell you one more thing. Like this method you have to practice, then this method will be very easy for you to find the square root instead of the proper normal method to find the square root. If it is a whole number, this method will be easier for you. Okay, practice with one or two questions, then it will be easy. Automatically you should know if the last number is 4, you have only two options, 4 and this one 8, 2 and 8 only. Okay, if the last number is 6, you have two options, 6 square or 4 square. Like that you can find it very easily. This is the method we normally use for competitive exam to do it very easily. If you practice this part, it will be very easy. In the same way, you can find the cube root also. Okay, it is also easy. So cube root also we are finding in the same way. I will tell you what is 1 cube. 1 cube is 1. 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27. 4 cube is 64. 5 cube is 125. 6 cube is 6 times 6 times 6. You will get 216. 7 cube is 343. 8 cube is 512. 9 cube is 729. And 10 cube is 1 and 3 zeros. Sorry. So here we need to find the cube root. See the last digit. Last digit is 5. So we have only some options only, right? 65 and 75. 65 and 75, we have only two options. Okay, just find 70 cube. What will be 70 cube? 7 cube is 343. Cube means 0, we need 3 zeros. Okay, this is 70 cube. So just see the number, this is less than 70 cube, so the answer will be 65. Okay, is it clear or am I talking very fastly? You can let me know. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Just slow down and hear it one or two times so it will be easy for you. Like that, you can find. No need to find the Q for all the numbers, it will take time. So, this method will be easier if you are practicing well. I am repeating that part. Okay, if you are practicing well, this method will be the easiest method that you ever seen. Okay, next find 2 raised to minus 3. So I have already told in the previous questions. Negative power you can change to positive by taking it to denominator. So 1 over 2 cube times 24 square. Okay, I will erase some of the parts so that we can see the steps properly. Okay, so how to simplify them? 1 over 2 cube. What is 2 cube? 2 cube is 8 times 24. I am splitting like 24 times 24. What is 24 divided by 8? It is 24 divided by 8 is 3, right? Or 8 divided by 8 is 1. 24 divided by 8 is 3. So we'll get 3 times 24. That is 72. So the answer is 72. Just study how to simplify like this. Okay. Then write down the reciprocal of 7. So reciprocal of 7 is 1 over 7. Reciprocal of 5 is 1 over 5. Reciprocal of 2 over 5 is 5 over 2. Just reciprocate. Okay. Then write 3.72194 correct to 3 decimal places. So after decimal point we need 3 numbers, but you need to round them. See, the next number is 9, that is more than 5. If it is 5 or more than 5, we will add 1. Okay, so 1 will become 2, so 3.722. So 3.722. Okay, then find the lowest common multiple or LCM of 8 and 14. Okay, let's erase so that I can write the steps here if there is any steps, right? Okay, so erase, just clear them. Okay, okay. Find the least common multiple or LCM, lowest common multiple of 8 and 14. So, um, okay. How can we write 8? 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. What about 14? 14 you can write it as 7 times 2. Okay. Just see the common. What is common here? If it is common, write it only one time. Okay. All other numbers you have to write 2 times 2 times 7. So 2 times 2 times 7. Okay. If you have common, write only one time. Okay. For these two, I wrote only once. All other numbers you have to write it. So 2 times 2, you have 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 1 minute. Oh yeah, 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 8, 8 times 7 you will get 56. So least common multiple is 56. Okay, the average temperature at North Pole is minus 23 degrees Celsius in January and minus 11 degrees Celsius in March. Find the difference between these temperatures. So difference means minus 23 minus, we have here minus 11. So minus minus will become positive or plus 23 plus 11. If you have different signs, first subtract them, then give the sign of the bigger number. Okay, so what is 23 minus 11? 23 minus 11 is it is 23 minus 11. What you will get 23 minus 11? It is 12. What is the sign of bigger number? It is minus. So minus 12 degrees Celsius is already given here. The average temperature in July is 28 degrees Celsius, higher than the temperature in March. What is the temperature in March? It is minus 11. They are telling 28 degree higher. So plus 28. Find the average temperature in July. So 11. We have different sign, right? Here minus and here plus. So subtract them. Subtract them. 28 minus 11 you will get 1 7. That is 17. Then put the sign of bigger number. Bigger number is 28. The sign is plus. So just 17 or plus 17 degrees Celsius. Okay. I hope the question number 9 is clear for you. Now we are moving to the final question, that is question number 10. They have mentioned non-calculator, as I told previously, from 2025 only you got the non-calculator paper. So they are just mentioned this for you. Okay. So Simplify 80, 81 y raised to 16 whole power 3 over 4. So if you have numbers like this and power outside the bracket, this power is for each term inside the bracket. Okay, so you can write 81 power 3 over 4 and y raised to 16 power 3 over 4. Okay, so how to find out 81 power 3 over 4? Always remember this reminder part always come in the root. It is fourth root of 81. Then numerator you can just take it as common power. Okay, so always remember, if you have as a in the indices, if you have a fraction, so denominator of that fraction will always come inside the root. Okay, so 81, fourth root of 81, which number if you are multiplying 4 times you will get 81? Or just think, 81 you can write it as 9 times 9, so 9 is 3 times 3, this 9 is again 3 times 3, so 3 if you are multiplying 4 times you will get 81. So fourth root of 81 is, we will get 3, then we have power 3, 3 power 3, 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is again 27. So the answer here is 27. Then y raised to 16 whole raised to 3 over 4. Power and power coming together, you can multiply the powers. So y raised to 16 times 3 over 4. 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So now we have 3 times 4, that is 12. So y raised to, so the answer is 27 y raised to 12. Okay, next one. 2 raised to 3 is equal to 4 raised to 3 p. Find the value of p. So I will write that one again. Okay, here the base is 2, here the base is 4. So we need to make the base the same. So here since it is 2 is the base, 4 also we'll write it as a base 2. 4 is 2 square, then you have power p. Okay, I will write the remaining steps here. Okay, so left side you have 2 cube is equal to 2 times p is 2p, so 2 raised to 2p. Okay, so now we have the bases are same, so you can cancel the bases, so you have 3 is equal to 2p, so p is equal to 3 over 2, or you can write 3 over 2, otherwise you can write 1.5, or you can write 1 over 2 also. Okay, since this is improper fraction, 1 over 2 is the perfect answer. Okay, so that's it about today. So our questions are over. For I'm talking about the past paper questions in the textbook, for unit 1 is over now. Okay, so that's all about today, and thank you, and all of you take care, and if you have any doubt let me know, and if you need any topics or any questions to be solved, let me know by, you can just mention in the comments, or you can just email me. My email id you can just see my description, and you can send email for that. Okay, take care all of you, have a good day. Thank you.